If this shoe was black and red, we'd have had ourselves some Naruto fans cop these shoes. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 12 International Flight. Now, this shoe is part of the International Flight Pack, and we've done all the shoes so far, the Jordan 3, the Jordan 5, and now the Jordan 12. Now, this shoe is drawing inspiration from an event that Michael Jordan traveled to in Tokyo, Japan in 1996. I don't think it was any particular game. I think he just had like a little camp or an event, kind of like what Steph Curry does, where he kind of just goes to China and just balls out in like his own little basketball camp. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the Jordan International box, so it's the blue box with the gold Jordan International logo. And the colorway is College Navy and University Red. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe utilizes a suede upper with the cloud detailing drawing inspiration from a Japanese kimonos. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the leather panel kind of acting as a toe box with the suede toe cap in College Navy, and you've got the cloud details embossed on the shoe. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the 2-3, that's standard for the Jordan 12, as well as the University Red Jumpman logo, and the whole tongue is suede. The insole is red with the white Jordan International logo, and the sock liner also has this graphic on it with Japanese characters going down the shoe. For the lateral, you got the suede upper with the cloud graphics on it and the white textured overlay leather panel, and you've got the gray plastic panel that says Jumpman. Moving towards the heel, you've got the Japanese characters once again, and the Japanese characters, if I'm not mistaken, say Air Jordan on it, and the back tab is College Navy. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the white leather panel, and it's a textured panel with the gray plastic panel, however nothing is on it. And you also have the suede upper with the cloud graphics embossed on it. The shoe features a white and College Navy midsole, and the outsole is white, red, and College Navy with the black carbon fiber shank plate in between the grooves on the outsole. I actually really like this shoe. This shoe is actually my favorite by far in the Jordan International pack. The suede on the tongue is actually the softest part, and that's, I guess, because there isn't any embossed graphics on it. It doesn't have the cloud on it, it's just the regular tongue. But the whole shoe just looks really nice and has the Japanese influence down to a T, which is also kind of ironic because this shoe, the Jordan 12, is inspired by a Japanese woman's boot. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Jordan 12 International Flight hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on September 8th for a retail price of $190. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.